What's up, guys? Putting the toilet back here. Got a new floor installed. So call this reinstalling the toilet after the new floor was put in. Nice new plank floors. Okay, let me grab the new toilet. Or actually, got the old wax ring already scraped up. Get our new bolts in. Kit. Put these little plastic pieces on here so they don't slide up. Another bolt. Make sure you want to spin the bolt when you get it down there, because it can come pull straight up when you're lifting on the toilet here, tighten it down. So you want to make sure you spin the head of the floor bolt here. Alright, pretty good there. Ring. I use these 40% extra wax just because a lot of these floors are uneven. I didn't build the place. I just work here. Alright. Got a new supply line on. Every time I reset a toilet, if it has an old plastic supply line, which like this one did, I always replace it with a stainless steel braided line. Don't have to worry about coming back for a leak. Alright, I'm going to grab the toilet out of the tub. Alright, now you just want to lift it up, set it down over the bolts. Where you at? There you are. Okay, sit down. Make sure you got a good seal. Give it a little twist. Alright. Then you want to grab the washer. Don't have any toilet bowl caps. Don't believe. No, I do not. So, just gonna have to put these on for now until I get some caps. Gotta put an order in. Don't know where the caps went that were here, but carpet guys might have threw them out. I don't know. Alright. Tighten this side. Couple turns on that side, couple turns over here. Try to tighten it down so it's even. You want to get a nice even seal on the wax ring. Alright, back here, supply line, and a little twist. Alright, turn her on. Pliers to tighten that up. Alright. filled up. Let's test it out. Show you any leaks. Nice and dry. Alright, looks pretty dry all the way around. I'll give it another flush or two just to make sure and put the lid on and wait for the cleaner to get here. So that's reinstalling a toilet after a plank floor is installed. See you on the next one.